not full speed. There's some more shit over here. Oh, fuck.
Watch out. Right there.
No!